let's fix Instagram blocked action. Now, if you're getting a message on Instagram that says it's blocking a certain action and basically asking you to stop it, I'm going to show you what that means and how to get it fixed. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So I'm going to hop into Instagram here. And say you're going through here, you might be hitting that search button and following tons and tons of accounts, maybe 20, 50, 100 different accounts, or you're going on Reels and you're liking every single reel. Instagram likely has blocked that action or caused some kind of filter that has blocked your action. You might see an error that looks kind of like this. Action blocked. This action was blocked because, and please try again later, we restrict certain content and actions to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake, and then you can hit that tell us, or you can just hit OK. Basically, what this does is Instagram wants to make sure that you're not a specific bot that is just in there, just clicking like, or following and unfollowing a bunch of different accounts to try to gain more followers. These are all different things that Instagram doesn't want either you or a bot, some third-party service to do. So if it suspects that might be the case, it will block those actions. Now, keep in mind, this isn't a permanent block. Basically, what it does is it just puts a temporary hold on those specific actions on your device. So what you can do is just open up Instagram. You can use it normally, watch any different, reels, stories, whatever you want. Just don't do whatever action you were doing in bulk before. Basically, if you were doing something a bunch of different times, just stop doing that action and slow it down. So you might need to take an hour, 2-hour break, and then you can go back to doing whatever you were doing. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.